Kamusta mga kaibigan? Welcome to Josh Friends, where faith meets friendship and inspiration is just a conversation away. This is Reverend Migs Ramirez, and today we are joined by a special guest who's ready to share some words of wisdom from your favorite books and songs from Jesuit Communications. This might just be exactly what you need to hear. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into another episode of heartwarming stories and uplifting messages. Are you ready? Let's go!
Alam niyo yung feeling na nag-aaral ka ng bagong kanta for Sunday Mass, tapos bigla kang mapapahinto kasi sobrang ganda ng melody and lyrics? That's what happened to me with Maria Bukang Liwayway from Himegiswita. Ako po si Joel Escaner, at sa araw-araw kong buhay bilang church musician and keyboard instructor, music is both my work and my prayer. Pero minsan, especially sa mga challenging days with students na mas interested sa TikTok kesa sa C major scales, I need to remind myself why I do this. At dun pumasok tong kanta na to. Grabe yung imagery ng song, no? Bukang liwayway. Dawn. That first light breaking through darkness. Kasi as a music minister, ang dami kong moments na parang nagda-dark mode yung calling ko. Yung mga choir practice, na kulang yung members. Yung mga students, na ang galing-galing magpiano, pero hindi nakikinig sa instructions. Yung Sunday morning, napagod ka na bago pa mag-start ng first mass. Pero eto yung beauty ng song from Jesuit Music Ministry of JESCOM. Hindi lang siya beautiful music. Para siyang spiritual companion for people like me who serve through music. Kasi minsan, we forget na we also need to be fed. Diba? Hindi puro kami yung nag-feed sa parish. When I first heard this song on Spotify habang nagko-commute, I had to replay it several times. Yung arrangement, yung way the melody rises and falls, parang journey talaga. And as someone who grew up listening to Father Manuling Francisco S.J., Norman Agatep, Father Arnel Aquino, and of course, the Father Honti, I've always believed na music ministry is more than just playing the right notes. It's about creating space for people to encounter something bigger than themselves. Now, here's the thing about being a church musician. You need reliable resources. Yung mga kanta na may proper sheet music, yung may clear arrangement. Kasi unlike sa students ko na pwedeng mag-YouTube para mag-aral, when you're leading a choir or teaching liturgical music, you need the real deal. That's why I'm grateful na available yung sheet music ng Maria Bukang Liwayway sa jescom.ph/Josh. Para sa choir members namin na volunteers lang, hindi professional musicians, having proper sheet music makes the difference between feeling frustrated and feeling empowered. Para sa akin, as an instructor, having reliable resources means I can focus more on mentoring rather than scrambling for materials or trying to transcribe by ear. And speaking of October, being the month of Mary, timing talaga na we are highlighting this Marian song. Kasi si Mary, siya yung ultimate example ng yes sa calling. Kahit uncertain yung path, As musicians, minsan, ganyan din kami. We say yes to serve even when we don't know kung saan pupunta yung choir o kung mag-i-improve ba yung students. The song talks about being guided through our journey, being brought safely like a star guiding ships at sea. And that resonates so much with music ministry. Quiet service, not always recognized, pero committed to the mission, and having good resources. Yung mismong kanta na pwedeng stream for practice. Yung sheet music na malinaw. It helps us serve better. Alam nyo, I also love watching The Walking Dead. And there's this character, Daryl Dixon, na quiet pero loyal. Ganyan din minsan na music ministry. Walang fanfare. Pero, andyan. Consistent. Doing the work. And having songs like Maria Bukang Liwayway, accessible for streaming, it's like having the right tools for the mission. So, whether you're a choir member, a music minister, or someone who just loves singing Marian songs while cooking or driving, this song is for you. Stream it on Spotify, Apple Music, or your favorite platform. Let it be your companion sa journey. Kasi remember, we all need light. And music, when done with heart, becomes the light for others. Let us journey together in hope. This October, as we celebrate the month of Mary and the Most Holy Rosary, journey with us through songs that inspire and guide. Stream Maria Bukang Liwayway by Himigisuita on Spotify, Apple Music, and other digital platforms. May favorite lines ka ba from Jesuit Music Ministry songs? Jescom tag shirts are also available, featuring lyrics that speak to your heart. Perfect for music ministers and anyone who wants to wear their faith. Let's spread light through music. One note, one song, one prayer at a time. Maraming salamat po for joining us sa Josh Friends. Hanggang sa muli.
Maraming salamat, kaibigan. That wraps up another episode of Josh Friends. I hope today's reading touched your heart and gave you something to reflect on. Remember, you can find the full text of what we shared today, along with many other inspirational resources, at the Jescom online shop. Until next time, this is Reverend Migs Ramirez reminding you that you are never alone on your journey of faith. Paalam at ingat, mga kaibigan!